one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic.
When you feel tired and worn out, exhausted from the journey, do not be afraid, but know that I am the Lord who is with you, the Lord who is restoring and healing, making new and making whole. Do not be afraid, but approach me with confidence, draw near in faith, knowing that I am the Lord who is faithful. For I am the Lord who brings beauty in place of ashes, the Lord who brings transformation and change. Do not look at your current condition, but look to me, knowing that I am the one who is redeeming and restoring, the one who is making new and beautiful. Look and see, for I am bringing transformation and bringing change. I am making you whole and complete again. For I restore you, I heal you, I fill you again, I fill you afresh and anew. It is a day of victory, for I am the Lord who restores you, the Lord who redeemed you, making you whole and new. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.